We're inside the 1997 Mercedes-Benz S420 W140, and as you can see, there's leather everywhere and plenty of wood. There's wood all over this car, and here, double-glazed acoustic glass in every window. And all this wood right here, very real. And then there's this. So this phone ran on the analog AMPS network, which is Advanced Mobile Phone System. But it's been rendered inactive since we now have mobile phones, smartphones, and the rest. So you can't use it, but imagine how cool it was having this in your car in 1997. So it's the S-Class, so these are power seats, but they are also memory seats. Let me show you this. You have these buttons, preset 1, preset 2, preset 3. You hold this green button and you select one and you save to the position of this seat. Next driver comes in, press 3 or 2, whatever their preset is, and the seats change back to their chosen position. You can also adjust your headrest, your backrest, your butt rest back and forth. Now, why is this so plush? Is it really necessary? The truth is, nobody cares. It's an S-Class and it's luxury. Now look at this knob. It allows you to tighten this seat around you, so it can get lighter around you, it can get tighter around you. It's called bolster. This is the long wheelbase version, so even though I have long legs, there's still plenty of leg room for me. That's not all. This is something interesting about this car. You have 4-zone climate control, which means the driver in front, the passenger in front, this guy here, and this guy here can all maintain different temperatures. This vent serves the passenger here, and this vent serves the passenger here. And that's not all. Here, you have AC for your feet. This is a very comfortable car to sit in. You have vanity mirrors for each rear passenger. You also have this armrest, 2 cup holders, and some storage space. There's more storage space, storage pockets, and here, ashtray and cigarette lighter. You also have vacuum assisted soft closing doors, and watch this. Soft closing trunk. This, my friends, is what you call a flagship.